The most popular insulation in container homes is also the biggest fire hazard. This isn't just about a mistake. This is about fire code and the law. One missing step will turn your home into a toxic furnace and void your insurance. I'm going to show you the one code mistake that professionals skip to save money, and it will burn your home down. This isn't a scare tactic. This is a non-negotiable building code requirement that is the difference between a safe, insurable home and a death trap.
The mistake is applying polyurethane spray foam insulation and then doing nothing. The amateur and the cheap contractor believes the job is done, but they have just committed a serious building code violation. International Residential Code is crystal clear. Foam plastic insulation must be separated from the interior of the building by an approved 15-minute thermal barrier. This is not a suggestion, it is the law. The most common thermal barrier is half-inch drywall, but it can also be a special thick-milled coating called intumescent paint. Without this barrier, your home is not only a fire hazard, but it will instantly fail a building inspection. You will not get a certificate of occupancy, and in the event of a fire, your insurance company will have every right to deny your claim.
This code exists for one reason: to save your life. Uncovered spray foam is not just insulation, it is solid fuel. When it ignites, it doesn't just burn. It melts and drips, spreading fire with terrifying speed. But the fire is only half the danger. This is a foam trap. The real killer is the smoke. When polyurethane foam burns, it releases a cocktail of incredibly toxic gases, including hydrogen cyanide, the same chemical used in gas chambers. The smoke from your own walls can incapacitate you in seconds, long before the flames ever reach you. The thermal barrier's job is to give you 15 minutes. 15 minutes for the alarm to sound. 15 minutes for you and your family to get out before the foam ignites and fills your home with poison.
The professional, legal, and only safe solution is to follow the code to the letter. First, you use the correct insulation for a container, closed-cell spray foam to prevent condensation. But the job is not finished until that foam is completely and immediately covered by that approved 15-minute thermal barrier. No gaps, no exposed foam, anywhere. This is the exact step the cheap contractor skips. Installing drywall or spraying intumescent paint costs time and money. They win your business with a lower quote by ignoring the fire code, passing all of the risk, the fire, the toxicity, the legal liability, directly to you.
If you want to make sure you use the right materials that won't destroy your home, click like and check out our video on the 4 material choices that will destroy your container home.